Hi YouTube, this is Maria from Stop, Listen, and Think. Today is September the 30th, 2011. First of all, we'll start off with this interesting and beautiful photo that we managed to capture right after a small storm. Well, it was more like rain showers, and then the sun came out. The weather was approximately around 70 degrees or 68 degrees, and was staring out the window and managed to see this rainbow. We stepped outside to just kind of enjoy it and look at it, and then I noticed that it was rather strange because it was more like a salmon color all through this area, and as we stepped on the other side of the barn, this whole area here was mostly, it was just like it was almost two-colored rainbow. So as you can see, today's weather was approximately around 60, 69, 70 degrees, and today's low was around 55. Now the strange thing about today's weather is it jumped 20 degrees almost immediately here in this area anyway. We were experiencing some rain, occasional showers most of the last 7 to 8, 10 days. I've lost track, to be honest with you, but if you see here, you'll see a lot of the weird weather that we've been experiencing, along with let me pull up another photo for you. Hold on. Many of you have been watching the local weather and the national weather and maybe even global weather, and you've noticed that there's been a lot of cloud coverage around the globe, and it's like we've been stuck in this perpetual turning of these clouds between the two systems here and off over here, and there's been kind of like a little area in here that's been kind of clear, but right here, this has just been a very interesting sight to see for us. It's been lingering around for the last 8 to 10 days. I wanted to show you another radar shot here where you can actually see the precipitation that's been following through this lower area. But the one thing I noticed was this negative type return here, or whatever it is. I have no idea. I have no idea. So if anybody can please explain this little spot to me here, I really would appreciate it, because this is just, I'm wondering how soon this blackened spot here will head this way. And of course you also have another shot here, and this is from the National Weather Service. You can see all the moisture and rain showers that have been happening in our local area. With all that being said, I'm going to show you a few personal pictures that we had taken. And if I could just move this over and get this little guy out of the way. Sorry about that. This is strange for me to see something like this. And as you recall from the other picture that I brought up earlier with the rainbow, I don't know what this was like, almost illuminating, and I don't know whether it was grabbed from the sun, you know, just kind of after the little shower had gone by, but we had a small period of time where it was just really almost surreal quiet, and even the ground kind of changed a little bit as far as color. You would see some weird color pinks down here, and this is outside. I mean, I am actually witnessing this, and I have some film here I'll show you in a second. So I just kind of wanted to show you, look at these rings right here. I don't understand. You know, it just kind of floored us all. And let me pull up that film now. This is the front half. Alright, that was the wrong film. Bear with me. Okay, we are recording. And notice Notice how it's changing colors on us.
Behind our house.
I just thought this was too strange. I wanted to share this. I mean, because this is just, I don't know what this is. Other than clouds. I mean, you know, for the funny people out there that's going to probably post something mean or whatever. But I mean, if you were here and you were actually watching this outside, I think you would be almost wondering, what the heck are they doing? Here's the front half of the house. And you can see this line here. Well, I'm walking, or my sister's walking with the camera. But look at this. Everything just kind of would change colors, and we dropped fast with the temperature. I mean, we went from kind of warm to all of a sudden in the quietness to this cold once these clouds started coming over our heads. I'm going to show you just a little piece right here, and I apologize for it running just kind of fast and crazy, but I want you to pay particular attention to this spot right in here, and let me show you. Okay, we are recording this strange cloud formation behind our house. Wicked. I don't know what that is. Looks weird. Here, look how pretty it is. Because right here is where the temperature just dropped just that quick, and I was just like cold, and it was awful. I mean, it just went fast. So I'm just wondering if anybody else is experiencing things like that out in your area. So just leave your comments below. And I just wanted to add one other small thing. I am no weather person, so I mean, I'm just trying to understand what has been going on. So I mean, it's just too weird.